Hi, and welcome to Money and Margaritas. I'm Chris.
And hi, I'm Jenny. If you're new to our channel, we are all about inspiring financial independence so that we all have the time to focus on what matters and design a life we love. So we will be covering all sorts of topics, including real estate investing, margarita recipes, how to save money, how to create cash flow, and so much more. We hope you join us.
And of course, we want to make talking about money just a little bit more fun, hence the margaritas.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi and welcome. Today we are going to talk about how to get started with minimalism. So minimalism is something that I just recently discovered probably about 2 years ago, and I'm pretty obsessed with the concept. I just think there's a ton of benefits, and I'm very surprised that I hadn't ever heard of it before until recently. So I wanted to share my experience and what minimalism is with you guys. So what is minimalism? So minimalism is all about this concept that less really is more. It's about making sure that you really evaluate your possessions and focus on really owning just what you need, or things that bring you a ton of joy. It's about, not having a ton of waste and really just being mindful about what we bring into our lives to make it, the most, calming and less stressful environment that you surround yourself with. So for me, why I personally love minimalism is a couple of reasons. So one, it really, it's all about collecting experiences and memories more than collecting stuff. And when I talk about stuff, it's really about stuff that you have surrounding you, wherever you live. It's just stuff that is taking up space either mentally or physically, and just, making sure that you are collecting the right kind of things. So collecting, like I said, memories or experiences, not just stuff. So love that. I also like that in, kind of following some minimalist strategies, there's also less clutter. And therefore, for me personally, that means less stress, feeling lighter. And because you are being mindful of possessions and really prioritizing what you have, that means that you also have more appreciation for what you do have. And then lastly, why I love minimalism is because it saves a ton of money. When you're not focused or just kind of mindlessly shopping, it really helps you save money because you're not spending stuff on things without realizing it. And what I mean by that is, for me personally, I used to love, going shopping, and I was definitely a sucker for a sale. If there was a buy two, get two free, I'd be like, add to cart, no problem, let's do this. And now I really think about, do I really need 4 shirts that look exactly the same? Am I even gonna wear those? And could this money be spent, elsewhere? Could that be more money that I'm putting away to try and retire early? So love the concept. I think there's, for me, I'm just getting started on my minimalism journey too. But if you want to learn some resources, I would recommend first The Minimalist. They have a blog, theminimalist.com, and they also have an amazing YouTube video that I think was a TED Talk that I will link to in the description. So that's a good place to start. I also like, there's 2 content creators that I follow. One is Dawn from The Minimal Mom. She's great, has a lot of tips about, organizing and being minimal even with kids. I also like Minimalist Melody. She has a lot of great tips around the house, how to have a minimal kind of organization to maximize efficiency. And then I also, if you're looking for an audiobook on Audible, I would recommend Joshua Becker's The More of Less. That was a great audiobook to just listen to as I was driving to and from work to learn about minimalism a little bit more and kind of other people's stories on why they chose minimalism and how they can kind of keep minimalism up. So, and then the other thing I would add is what minimalism to me is it's not about counting the number of objects. It's not about saying I can only have, 4 pairs of shoes or, whatever. It's not about trying to make it a numbers game. It's about identifying what you need, and basically being really happy with that and appreciative of that. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out minimalism. We'll be posting a few more videos on what I've learned so far, some best practices, and yeah, I hope you have a great day. See you later. Thanks.